I think we feel the impact of inflation on our bank balances, but we are also sort of lost as to what are the right financial decisions that we need to make.
Even if things in the near term look kind of dire, what are you doing as a young person to prepare and make decisions for the future?
For the younger generation, we definitely feel it quite a bit with high rent, high food prices, high gas prices, and everything. I think it's very important now more than ever to practice good financial discipline. So that's paying off high interest debts, not making risky plays, and being liquid. So having that liquidity to make the investments when the market seems right. One advantage that young investors have is that we have a lot of our lifetime ahead of us. So even though the markets seem quite dire right now, we should not feel discouraged to not invest in our lifetimes.
Time horizon is a big market concept. If we're going back on that inflation that you mentioned, which is probably one of the biggest themes in the economy and the markets today. As someone that's a popular investor, what has been your observation as to how inflation specifically has impacted young investors and their decision making?
I think we feel the impact of inflation on our bank balances, but we are also sort of lost as to what are the right financial decisions that we need to make. Personally, I look towards successful investors like Sam Zell and Charlie Munger to see what actions they took in the multiple ups and downs of the market that they've been through. And I think that that is something that young investors can learn from and do with their money. The modern human have been around since 13,000 years ago. So right now, this 2-year, 4-year, or 10-year period may seem daunting, but it's something that we will overcome.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure you tune in every day. Also hit that like, subscribe, and notification buttons. We'll see you tomorrow.